Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1975 Triumph Tr6 Convertible. It's finished in this really attractive carmine red, tan interior, tan top boot, tan top, 4-speed, disc wheels fitted. Really nice driver condition car, runs and drives pretty nicely. Paint is quite good overall, kind of older, showing a few little touch-ups here and there, but nothing massively alarming. You know, a couple little hairline scratches there. Trying to pick out some more things, you know, a couple little chips here and there, but from 10 feet or from 5 feet where I'm at now, it looks really lovely. Yeah, a couple little hairline splinters here you can see on the hood, probably just from some heat from the engine compartment. But you know, really good gaps, really good honest body all the way around. Chrome works decent. It's fitted with a nice stainless luggage rack there. Where the luggage rack is, you can see they've done a couple little touch-ups around, because it was kind of maybe bouncing around. You can see there, but just little knickknacks like that. But you know, from being a nice driver, it's a great option to run and jump in and enjoy. I'm just looking at all the gaps on this car, and they are pretty uniform. So pretty honest body. I believe we bought this car from Georgia, and the guy had 5 or 6 TR6s, and it was time to just kind of slim down his collection. I think he reduced it to 1 or 2, so we ended up picking up this one from him. We did some brake work. We got it running and driving. It's got some really nice new tires fitted, but gets up and goes with really good power. Gearbox is decent. It's like a 7 out of 10, but it goes through the gears pretty decently. So in here, we see a nice tan interior. Seats are in great shape. Door panels look original. They're pretty decent. Beige carpet kits. Dash is pretty good. It's finished in this dark wood, but it does have a couple little hairline cracks on the top of the dash. This car could probably use a set of visors. They're starting to look a bit wrinkly. But yeah, under here, if you look at the still photos, there is a tan top fitted that is in pretty decent shape. Windshield's actually pretty reasonable. It's been replaced at one point. I can see like a logo here of a replacement windshield. The rubber surrounds in decent shape. I believe we're going to be putting a new lockup strip on the windshield surround there. So in the trunk, just kind of a, you know, one of your normal average trunks on a TR6, just decent. Trunk lid fits pretty nicely. Original brushed beauty rims, which are nice. You can see those on the wheel set. Those are now getting rare in that really good condition. This car's a 75. I believe it's fitted with an air pump in the engine compartment. Let's take a look at the engine bay. Yeah, carmine tan is a pretty nice color. It's a dark color on the outside, dark red, which really shows off the car's lines. And then the tan interior is always, seems like it's always pretty desirable. Yeah, really nice, clean engine, runs really good, just pulls really strong through all the gears. You can see me driving this car, just taking it out for a nice little test drive, and pulls really hard and strong. So great revving engine. I believe this car, the mileage shows 13,328, so it's probably rolled over once. But you know, our experience with these cars is, you know, we'll have cars come in with over 100,000 and still drive exceptionally good with great strong drivetrains fitted. You can see here, nice clean original carmine red everywhere. Carmine red engine compartment. So back of the hood's painted Carmine as well. So really nice little clean, tidy engine compartment there. I believe we fitted a new servo and a brake master, so car runs, drives, stop, steers pretty good. The gearbox, it is showing some slight weakness, I believe, in third synchro. It does shift into third, but just a little bit of tiredness there. But anyways, but yeah, there it is. If you're in the market for a very good driver condition Tr6, this is a pretty nice one here. Carmine red, tan. It's a 1975 Tr6 convertible, 4-speed luggage rack. Great colors on this one, showing 113,000 miles. Runs, drives, stops. You can see me driving it. Great little run around town. Priced well. Super nice little driver in good colors. www.kurttannermotorcars.com